In this screencast, we're going to learn how to log in to Qualtrics from the CenterNet portal. If you go to centernet.center.edu and log in, when you go under your links, it will say My Links as a student, you're going to see a link that says Qualtrics Survey Tool. If you click on that, it's going to take you to a Qualtrics sign-on page. You want to click here to log into Qualtrics in a new tab. And if you don't have an account, it's going to prompt you to create one. It will prompt you to sign in with your center username and password. If you, once you do that, if you've never signed in to Qualtrics, you're going to get a screen where you choose that you do not have a Qualtrics account, and you will select that. And then you will choose I agree for the licensing agreement, and then it will prompt you to this screen. Now, this screen recently changed. Qualtrics continues to update and make improvements. So what we're looking at here is your dashboard. On the left side, it's going to see your most recent surveys that you've looked at. If you want to see all your surveys or projects, you can click on See All Projects, and it will change that view. When you do that, you can see I have a lot of different projects that I've created. You may have never created a project, so we're going to create a project from scratch. If you look over in the upper right corner, you're going to see a Create Project button. If you click that, you want to create a new project from scratch. So I'm going to choose Survey, and then from here, you're going to click on the blue Get Started link. You want to give a title for your project. So if this is a project that I'm doing, my research project, I might say Research Project, and then I'm going to name the class. And I might even want to add the term if I'm doing it this fall. Don't worry about what folder where you leave that at, and then you click on the Create Project button.